Okay, we got a good example here. We get a lot of questions on this, our guys, adjusters, and I want to show the difference between an old 37-inch laminate versus a new laminate and why they're not compatible. We still run into this quite often. There's still quite a few roofs out there that have that shingle on it. In this case, these are Tamkos. So our old Tamko has a width of 37 inches, a height of 12 inches, and an exposure of 5 inches. The exposure is something to pay attention to. Our new shingle is 39 3/8, a height of 13 1/4, and then an exposure of 5 5/8. So I'm going to show you a couple of reasons why there's no way to make this work. A lot of times we'll have an adjuster tell us to cut the shingle down. Okay, if we were to cut the shingle down, where should we cut the shingle down at? If we look at it here, all right, if I were to cut the top of that shingle off there, what's gonna happen is when I put this new shingle in there, and let's say this shingle I'm lining up there, my exposure is gonna be up above the teeth, or the gates are gonna start up above like the adhesive strip. When extrapolated over several shingles, it's gonna get worse and worse each time. Ultimately, you're gonna have a shingle that's gonna have no contact. It's not gonna be fully contacted to the underlying shingle with the adhesive strip, making it vulnerable to wind uplift. Another thing we get told to do is to cut the bottom of the shingle off. If I were to take this shingle and cut the bottom off, I didn't cut the whole shingle, but as you can see here, there's our adhesive strip. That would be the bottom edge of our shingle, and it's also very difficult to make a nice clean cut there, but that's a 12-inch shingle. Our adhesive strip's gone, so then now we're introducing a maintenance item, putting caulking in there. Another thing is, if we look here, on these teeth or the gates, they typically will have 3 adhesive strips in there, one being on the very bottom edge of the shingle. I don't know if I can peel this one apart, but see this one, I can't even peel that apart. Now this one where I've cut it, that's gonna be vulnerable to wind. So these shingles are definitely not compatible. That's part of the reason. And then obviously there's a width change, so can make it very difficult to do anything on these old roofs like this with this style shingle on it. There's still not just Tamkos, there's a few other manufacturers out there that have a 37-inch laminate, kind of the same thing with them. So just wanted to demonstrate that for you. Hopefully that kind of clears it up. Thank you.